In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Drive theme. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch between light, dark, or a system-matched look so your workspace feels comfortable and consistent with the rest of your device. First, start on any Google page in your browser. Look toward the top right corner for the Google Apps button. It's the small grid of dots that opens a panel of Google services. Click that to expand the menu. This is where you'll find quick shortcuts to your most used Google tools. And it's the easiest path to get into Drive without typing a URL. Next, click Drive. That opens your Google Drive home, where you see your folders and files. Once you're in Drive, focus again on the top right corner. You'll see a gear icon, which represents settings. Go ahead and click the gear. This is where Google keeps all the preferences that control how Drive looks and behaves. Inside the settings panel, make sure you're on the General section. That's the default section most people land on, and it contains the visual controls you need. Look for the Appearance option. This is the setting that lets you change how Drive looks on your screen. Click it to reveal your choices. Now select the theme you prefer. If you choose light, your Drive interface will stay bright and clear, which can be great in well-lit spaces. If you select dark, the interface uses darker tones that many people find easier on the eyes, especially at night or during long work sessions. You may also see an option that follows your computer's system theme, which means Drive will automatically match whatever your device is set to, switching between light and dark as your system changes. As soon as you pick an option, the change typically applies right away, so you can instantly see how it looks across your Drive folders and file list. There's no need to hunt for a save button, because Google updates the setting for you the moment you make a selection. If you're working in multiple tabs, you'll notice the updated appearance reflected as you navigate through them. A quick recap to lock it in: open the Google Apps menu, click Drive, open the gear icon for settings, stay on General, find Appearance, and choose the theme that feels right for you. Small changes like this can make your workspace more comfortable, reduce visual fatigue, and help your tools blend seamlessly with the rest of your setup. That's it. You now know how to change your Google Drive theme with just a few clicks.